to learn how to tie a slip knot, which is something that a number of people have trouble with at the beginning. So this is the tail end of my yarn in my right hand, and the working yarn, which means the yarn coming out of the skein, is off to the left. You want a number of inches in between your two hands, maybe 6 to 8 inches to start. And you're going to lay the yarn over your left fingers with 2 fingers. And then you wrap it around from the bottom, up and over to make an X. You see how I have an X right here? And I pinch those with my left thumb. And then let the yarn to the right just fall to the back. So it looks like this. This is the tail end. It's just falling down to the back. Then you're going to space your fingers apart. My right finger is going to reach in under that loop. Get the yarn, pinch the yarn, pull it just the tiniest bit, and now pull your left fingers out. And you'll see, this is the working yarn, this is the tail end of the yarn. You hold both of those and you just pull with your right hand. Okay, let's do it again. To undo it, you just pull it apart. Tail end of the yarn in your right hand, working yarn off to the left. Put your left 2 fingers like this. You're going to lay a good length, maybe even closer to 10 inches. On the right, you lay it over your left 2 fingers. You bring it around and under, pull it up and over, kind of angled to the left. You see how I do that? So that you get an X right here. When you have the X on your fingers, then you pinch them with your thumb. You let that right piece of yarn just casually lay down. Open your left fingers up so you get that space. Put your right finger in. Reach through. Get the little tail end of yarn with a little pinch. As soon as you're holding it, you let go of your left hand so that you can see this is my working yarn, this is my tail end. I hold both of them in my fingers, and you just pull the right side up until you get a slip knot. Okay? Once again. So this is the tail end of my yarn is in my right hand. My left hand, I have my 2 fingers. You're going to lay the yarn up and over your left hand. Wrap it back behind, come back over, kind of up and to the left so that you get this X. Put your thumb on the X and then just let that back yarn, the tail end of the yarn, fall down. Move your fingers apart to reach in with your right finger. Get that tail end in a pinch. Pull it up a little bit. Let go with your left hand, working yarn, tail end. Put them together with your thumb and then you just pull your right finger up. Okay. At this point, this is where you would take your knitting needle or crochet hook and you would put it into the knot and then you just pull the 2 sides down to tighten onto your knitting needle, and then you'd be ready to begin. Okay. But for now, we're going to do it one more time. Long tail end, left 2 fingers, you lay it across. Wrap it around behind and then come back up at an angle to the left so that you get that X over your fingers. Pinch it with your thumb, tail end fall down, open your 2 fingers and reach in. Get a hold of that tail end that was hanging down behind your hand. Once you've pinched that, you let go with your left hand. Hold both the 2 pieces of yarn with your thumb and your fingers. Pull your right finger up. There you go. That is how to do a slip knot. I hope that helps.